can't believe it's actually being shaped.
Oh, there's fireworks.
Oh, they're like rockets.
Yeah.
How are fireworks even made, honestly?
Wow, cool.
Holy! Why do I feel like they're gonna be short? Hey yo! Look at the reflection on the buildings. Holy macaroni! There's that full moon, it's still there.
See the reflection on the building. Oh yeah.
That's what I just said. Holy, it's like confetti!
Yeah.
It's like fire smoking. Fire smoking confetti. Earlier at the
Smoke in the sky.
I know, earlier at the old mill, they were doing some like exhibition and there was like smoke and I thought they were fireworks. It was like a bomb. Holy sh!
It's so loud. Yeah.
Apparently they're only like 210 decibels.
Yeah. Whoa! That was a big one. There's definitely more fireworks than the drones.
Every time I hear fireworks, I feel like a vibe in my heart, like in my chest.
Wait, the reflection is on the water.
Yeah, I know.
And the moon. It's not on the moon. The moon is making a reflection. Oh, it's a smiley face. No, it's a squirrel. Swirly, 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 swirly. What are those? Whoa. Whoa. Look, I can see the boats that are doing it. Yeah, me too. That one there.
Holy!
Like a butterfly or something.
It actually kind of does look like a butterfly. Why does that look like a butterfly knife? Butterfly knives are the best knives ever. It's my favourite weapon. I have a cardboard one at home and it was actually homemade. Oh my gosh, my shoulders are killing me.
Oh my god.
Oh, my shoulders are killing me. I've been in this position for like three minutes now. Yeah, three minutes plus. 3 minutes and 40 seconds now.
That's a great ending. That's a great ending. That's a great ending. Yep. That's it. Whoa. Those were big fireworks. Those were big.
What?
The sparkly one. Wait, I like the rain. It's a rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow's the worst mix of colours, honestly. Rainbow is the worst mix of colours.
Yeah, because people said. Whoa, that's big. You can't even touch a rainbow.
Because
It's out of the air. It's out of the air.
I know.
It's out of the atmosphere. Yeah.
No, but I can't tell you the reason why rainbow is the worst mix of colours because it means a very like inappropriate word.
I like fireworks better than it's just a bunch of colors.
I keep focusing on the fireworks in my life. I mean, with my eyes.
Oh my god. How much fireworks are these people
We've got at least like 50 now, maybe. Almost 50. There's usually like 100 each. Average would be like 100 fireworks blown. Maybe.
All of a sudden, there's just random person just comes. It's like, I can see fireworks. Whoa. Fireworks are actually pretty good.
Oh, look! It's a drone!
What are the drones doing?
Hey, wait, what? Why can't my camera see it? Oh my gosh!
Two separate drones. There's one over there and one over there.
Imagine the drone crashed into the fireworks.
It was just gone. Boom. How high is that thing going? It's going up there. No, it's just going
Nah, it could be flammable because you realize drones are electric and if they go into fire, they're going to blow up and create an explosion. Oh my gosh.
Don't. Like five.
Okay.
Don't.
Oh my gosh. Stop. Oh, the ferry's going past. Oh my gosh.
So we're going soon.
Okay. Shut up. Oh my gosh. The moon's... Those aren't clouds.
That's because the fireworks.
Oh wait, no. There are the clouds.
That's smoke from the fireworks. It's because they got blown away.
I've been filming for like 7 minutes now. Yeah, 7 minutes. Average fireworks are like 8 minutes. Holy. Half-Life. Could it
Oh, they're
ever
sad.
be?
Why are they sad? Yeah, why are they sad? Are they scared of us?
Oh, I can hear that like so.
Sizzling sound.
Why fire? Yeah.
Sizzling
No, it's like like a sizzly sound that's like sparkling. It's so satisfying.
Why do they even
That's ASMR. Oh my gosh, that rocket!
I like those fireworks. That sizzle at the end.
I know, it's so satisfying, right? It's ASMR. ASMR.
Yeah.
That was like 5 fireworks did at a time.
Yeah, it's like
There's usually like 3 or 4, but.
Whoa, that's
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, that's sick.
What? Wait, what just happened to those red fireworks? What the heck happened to them?
Yeah, there's just a bunch of them.
Those red fireworks are pretty useless, honestly. They just launch them and they just do nothing but go back down.
Yeah.
They're so useless.
I don't. Whoa!
Holy!
I didn't see those launch. Yeah.
Some fireworks are like that. Like, oh my gosh. Like the ones that just.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, those like sparkly ones look like actual sparkle.
Wow. I like the golden ones.
Those ones look so majestic. The drone's coming back! Ah!
3 of them, bro. 3 of them.
Wait, there's 3 of them. Oh wait, there is! There's 3 drones!
It's 4.
Wait,
oh,
what
the?
the? No way. No. Oh yeah, wait, there's one in the distance.
See? Oh, yeah, those are ones, dude. I see one that's flashing. Yeah. Look at the fireworks.
Holy!
Oh, I saw it.
I'm gonna upload this on YouTube as well. Usually when I do like firework videos, I upload them on YouTube. But I just started doing them like, I don't know. Whoa! I don't think I've ever seen fireworks like that before.
Yeah, that's weird.
Like they're like switching, they're so trippy.
Yeah, that's weird.
They just did that.
Yeah.
How do they even make
Just
it?
said
Love hearts.
Oh, love hearts.
Do they always do that when there's a firework?
Yeah, there's always love hearts. Yeah, they would never stop doing love hearts. They would just
How are fireworks even made? I actually want to Google that when I get home. Honestly.
I don't think they actually use TNT. But they maybe use gunpowder. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh yeah, gunpowder. dry ice bomb, isn't that illegal? If you really want to do fireworks, you have to like get permission from the government.
Wow.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
That is satisfying.
Yeah, that is satisfying. Imagine if you. Oh, it's so glowy.
So satisfying.
That is so glowy.
That is cool.
That's just glowy. That's kind of trippy, honestly. What the heck?
Wow. Ooh, look at the smoke though.
At the end of the show, if there's a jellyfish, I want to touch it with this. Oh wait, why am I waving my flag?
Why are you waving your flag? Ask yourself. Ask yourself, man. Because it's a silly thing.
The flag is
That's high.
Why do I feel like this is just owing
I
time?
had enough of love hearts if you...
I know, I had enough too.
I don't like the love hearts anymore. Yeah. I had enough love hearts, okay? People actually get annoyed love hearts just, I think it's a bit too many love hearts.
No such thing.
Every show we see them, like it's so annoying. Like,
Yeah, like there's love hearts in like every 5.
well, that is a big problem.
Like every video that has fireworks on it.
What, every video? Holy.
Nearly every video though.
Apparently in Indonesia, like, they just throw their sparklers on the road. Like, what the heck? What the heck is wrong with those people? They throw their sparklers on the road?
Yeah, they put the sparklers on the road. Yeah.
Indonesia is insane. Oh my god.
They throw it into the car and then it goes. They throw it into
It's
the
like
car.
that episode of Bart Simpson where he's skating naked. Oh, it's a drone. It's like that episode of Bart Simpson. It's like that
back to
episode
the
of The
fireworks.
Simpsons. It's like that episode of The Simpsons where Bart was skating naked and then like it's so good. It's the best comedy ever. Yeah, and Bart was skating naked and then the police shot a gun and then it was like a firework and then it just blew and then he went so fast and crashed into a pole and he got arrested. Honestly, Bart's kind of weird. It's the best comedy ever.
When is this gonna end?
Honestly, I feel like this is over time, honestly. And that is a you problem, so... Oh my gosh! Yeah, this is definitely the end. This is how we do it.
Whoa, it's not ending.
I've seen those, oh my gosh!
Eardrums.
It's not your eardrums. It's your heart, not your eardrums.
Yeah, I feel my heart beating every time it goes through, but my eardrums are gonna explode.
Oh my gosh, my eardrum just...
Yeah, I know.
Those fireworks are literally killing my eardrums.
Oh.
You can barely hear me now.
I feel
This is definitely the end. Hey, is there any like...
definitely the end. Whoa, look at all the fireworks.
Woo!
There's so many fireworks.
Holy!
Like,
Woo!
earballs are gonna explode.
Oh my god!
Whoa! I did not do anything. Whoa!
That is so satisfying. It's like explosive glitter. Woo!